Welcome to the Nevada Power Wing. You're standing in an 8-story building that's about 2 blocks long. Down at the far end are the generators that most of you came to see. The ones that have a light on and generating electricity at this time. Each of those generators produce about 82,500 kilowatts of electricity. That's enough electricity to supply a town of about 65,000 people. Each generator took 3 years to manufacture, ship here, and assemble on this site. Each one took 60 train carloads of materials to build. At the generator nearest you is a cutaway section of the shaft. It's well lit. That shaft is 65 foot high, 38 inches in diameter, and it weighs 100 tons. On the floor below you, with the metal railing around it, is a reddish-brown object called the pellet water wheel. That generator, the one on the other side of the dam, supplies all the electricity needed to run and control the dam.